Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Google account. This ensures your upload saves to your profile. Once signed in, open the specific Google product you want, Drive, Photos, Gmail, or Docs, because each uses slightly different upload methods. Make sure the image file is accessible on your device and note its type and size. This prevents failures. From here, click the Upload or New button to begin. You're initiating the transfer now, and that immediate action moves the process into the next steps. You now select the file and start the transfer. Click Upload Files or drag the image into the Open Drive or Photos window because drag and drop is faster for single files. If you're in Gmail, attach via the paperclip icon. In Docs, use Insert Image. Once you start, watch the progress indicator so you know when it finishes, and make sure your connection stays active. If you have multiple files, upload them in batches to avoid timeouts. Then confirm the files appear in the chosen location. Finish by verifying the image is visible and naming it clearly. Then set sharing or privacy permissions so the right people can access it. If Google flags format or size issues, convert to a standard JPG or resize to reduce MBs. This resolves most compatibility problems. Once done, use the preview to confirm quality. If something goes wrong, check your internet, clear the browser cache, or retry in an incognito window. That one troubleshooting step usually fixes stuck uploads and gets you back on track.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.